Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Metaphysics and Beyond. I am Sandy. If you are new, welcome here. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. I am going to do a pick a pile, or pick a card actually, just like I did the last one. This is from The Wild Unknown Animal Spirit by Kim Krans. So I just have to shuffle. So think of a number, 1, 2, or 3. One, 2, or 3. Okay. Ooh, the first card out, we have the Black Egg. Birthing something new. The Stingray, lining your chakras. And the Wolf. The Wolf is all about family. All right, let's see what Kim Krans has to say from the guidebook. The Black Egg is one of the spirit cards. Oh, I was going to say truth, speaking your truth, yes. Speaking from an authentic voice, the truth. The Black Egg connects one of life's essential treasures, the truth. Inside of it resides no confusion, excuses, small talk, noise, or lies, not even white ones. This living and breathing vessel harbors only that which rings true. When this essence is in balance, we speak slowly and clearly. We are drawn to activities like writing, reading, teaching, singing, or perhaps public speaking. Sounds draw us in. Books draw us in. The concept of truth itself draws us in. We start asking questions like, what do I know to be true about myself? And what is true about the world? When the energy of the Black Egg is not yet accessed, we speak from an unsure place. We say things others want to hear, gossip, or repeat stories to justify our subpar behavior. We might even try to convince ourselves that we have no inner truth at all. The energy of the Black Egg hovers and waits for us to reconnect. It is available at every moment, in every situation. It's the epicenter of truth, the birthplace of your voice. The Black Egg and the 5th chakra. The subtle essence of this card resides at the base of the throat, at the Vishuddha chakra. The ancient sages saw this center as the hub that governs our speech and expression. Vishuddha translates to especially pure. The balance of this center is important for all of us, but is especially essential for writers, editors, musicians, and teachers. Oh, so you could be one of those. Maybe you're having a little block and you need to clear your throat chakra. Some Reiki can help. Book a session. I'll put the info below. Okay. Next up, card number 2, we have the Stingray. Developing confidence, sense of self, or spine. The Stingray card represents a pivotal point in personal growth. The moment has come when the Stingray must decide between the old, easy, comfortable, and familiar, and the new, challenging, uncomfortable, and unfamiliar. Pressure from family and friends makes the decision even more complicated. No matter what choice is made now, it's inevitable that this dilemma will surface again and again, as the force of Dharma growing within the stingray is too strong to ignore. When in balance, eager and wants to grow. When out of balance, blames others and quits. To bring into balance, move through the discomfort. One great way to move is through journey dance. If you know, you know. Okay, now we're moving on to card number 3, which is the wolf. Here we go. Guardian of family and tribe. Activism, ritual. The wolf's mission is to uphold the well-being and longevity of the pack. Healthy wolf energy expresses itself through activism, mentorship, humanitarian efforts, or teaching, religious or political studies. The wolf gets into trouble when it assumes every member of the tribe must follow suit. This includes children walking in their parents' footsteps. Although it will surely be uncomfortable at first, practicing tolerance helps balance out agitated wolf energy. Contemplate the following. Embrace all, exclude none. When in balance, reliable, democratic, and fearless. When out of balance, judgmental and dominating. To bring into balance, practice letting go. Let it go, can't hold it back anymore. Alright everyone, I hope that this helped, brought some clarity, and if nothing else, some entertainment. This is general, so take what resonates and leave the rest. You could listen to all 3, bits and pieces from all 3 can resonate for you, or just one. Let me know what resonated for you in the comments below. I'd love to know. Alright everyone, stay safe and stay well, and until next time, bye-bye for now.